A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. See the figure. Find the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval. Now, see here, a 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. Now, see the figure, a 1.2 meter tall girl, this height is 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. Height of the balloon from the ground, that is, this distance is 88.2. Height of the balloon from the ground is 88.2. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. See here, the angle is given, that is 60 degree. That is, initially the position of the balloon is this, because this angle is 60 degree. Angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. So, A is the position of the girl, B is the position of balloon. So, angle of elevation is 60 degree, and this is the horizontal line. And after some time, means after some time the balloon moves. Here balloon is moving in a horizontal line. There is no change in the height of the balloon from the ground. It is given that balloon is moving with the wind in a horizontal line. Okay. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. See here, from B, the balloon moved to point C. There is a change in the position of the balloon, but there is no change in the height. Okay. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. See, this angle is 30 degree. Find the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval. Distance travelled by the balloon is distance BC. We have to find the distance BC. Let this distance is equal to x, and the opposite side also x. Now, let this distance is equal to y. And see here, height of the balloon from the ground is 88.2 meter and height of the girl is 1.2. So, what is the remaining distance? That is 87 meter, that is from this point to C, that is 87 meter, and opposite side also 87 meter. See here, distance moved by the balloon is BC, let it be x, and opposite side is ED is equal to x, and let distance AE is equal to y, and CD is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2, that is 187, and distance B is equal to distance CD, that is 87. Now, we have to find the value of x, that is BC, distance travelled by the balloon. Now, see here we have to apply trigonometric ratio. First apply the trigonometric ratio to triangle AEB, because in triangle AEB we know the opposite side, that is 87 meter, and you will get the value of y. After that apply trigonometric ratio to this triangle, that is triangle ADC, so that you will get the value of x. Now, in triangle AEB, angle BAE is equal to 60 degree. Angle BAE is equal to 60 degree. See here, this angle is 60 degree, angle BAE is equal to 60 degree. So, with respect to angle BAE, that is 60 degree, opposite side is 87 meter and adjacent side is y. Now, write down tan 60 degree is equal to, that is angle BAE 60 degree, opposite side is 87 meter and adjacent side is y. Tan 60 is equal to, formula is opposite by adjacent. Value of tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to, opposite is 87, adjacent is y. So, cross multiply, that is root 3 y is equal to 87 and y is equal to 87 by root 3. So, we got the value of y. Tan 60 degree is equal to 87 by y and y is equal to 87 by root 3. Now, in triangle CAD, angle CAD is equal to 30 degree. So, with respect to angle 30 degree, opposite side is CD and adjacent side is AD. See here, observe this triangle and this angle is 30 degree here. So, tan 30 degree, formula is opposite by adjacent. Value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to opposite. Opposite side is CD, that is 87 meter and adjacent side is AD, that is y plus x. Opposite side is 87 and adjacent side is y plus x. Now, cross multiply, y plus x is equal to 87 root 3. We know the value of y, that is from the first equation we got y is equal to 87 by root 3. So, substitute 87 by root 3 in the place of y, plus x is equal to 87 root 3. So, x is equal to 87 root 3 minus 87 by root 3. Now, take the LCM, that is root 3 common denominator, 87 root 3 into root 3 minus 87, that is 87 into root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 87 by root 3. 87 into 3 is 261 minus 87 by root 3. 261 minus 87. What is the value of 261 minus 87? Yes, 174 divided by root 3. You can stop here or you can rationalize the denominator, because denominator is irrational number. To remove the irrational number, multiply by root 3 to both sides, that is 174 root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24. So, 58 root 3, value of x is 58 root 3. Therefore, distance travelled by the balloon is 58 root 3, that is x. Therefore, distance travelled by the balloon is equal to 58 root 3 meter.